What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing an update on the F6. What's been happening, what is about to happen, and I actually have a few surprises that I have been doing over the last couple of months. A few deposits have been booked, and the F6 is looking tidy. Now, it has been horrifically raining over the past couple of months, and the F6 is desperate for a wash, so we are going to give it a wash in a minute to show you what this thing actually looks like, because I did get this thing a paint correction, and I did get this thing ceramic coated now. So again, huge shout out to Max. I'll leave a link for him. I'll show you guys what he done from start to finish. Crazy transformation. But we'll talk about that once we give this thing a wash. So unfortunately, yeah, again, the weather has just been raining and raining and raining. So thankfully, we do have a sponsor for this video, and it is WiperTech. So let's just have a look, because we got the goods. Yeah, they come through, hooked us up with a set of wipers for the F6. So let's throw these wipers on. We'll give them a bit of a test, see how good they are. Huge shout out to WiperTech. Link is in the description. Let's get these on. Now, they just have a real simple little clip, pops open, and then again, you just hook it in there and, you know, push it up. So you will have to push it up with a little bit of strength. You hear a click like that, and then clips down. That, mate. Woo, perfect fit. Yes, mate. And I gotta say, you know, look at, you can tell it's a good wiper when it's doing this. You know, that's just, you know, you're gonna get a very nice, even fitment. So I got a feeling that it's probably going to rain as we head over to the car wash, but I am going to wash this just because I want you to see how nice this car is now. But again, we will check out how these work even once we get to the car wash. We'll wipe them, see how smooth it is. But again, huge thanks for them for sponsoring the video. WiperTech, again, link is in the description below. They do free delivery. It's online, simple. Like, they've sold over 1.5 million wipers. Yeah, nothing but good things so far. Easy to install, that was easy. Alrighty, so we've got the wipers on now, and let's just go to the local car wash so we can show you what this F6 is looking like now with the paint correction. Yes, it is big difference. And the back end's coming out. I'll tell you, one of the things I have done since, guys, on the update here is I did put new tires all around. I actually don't remember what brand they were, but they were basically the cheapest Chinese tire I could buy. I think they were like literally like, yeah, $100 a tire or something. But I have noticed in the wet they are quite useless. But in general, most tires, you're pushing 500 nearly horsepower to the wheels. Yeah, you get into boost, this thing is most likely gonna kick out regardless, but just love that flutter of this thing, I really do. Now, I know some of you guys might think I'm crazy for wanting to wash this car in the rain. Look, it's not bucketing down, but it has been drizzling. Still drizzling, but I just have to just tell you guys how good of a job Max did at Prestige Auto Detailing here in WA. The young bloke is only 14 years old. He's 14 years old, and he basically was like begging me to let him do this paint correction on the F6. And you know, of course I said, hey, let's do it. And man, it was so well done that I ended up wanting to pay him to do the ceramic coating as well, because I said, man, you just done such a great job. And you can see some of these videos of like before and after, and in the process, yeah, especially the roof. Look, I'm not gonna get too crazy. I'm gonna wash this car quickly. We'll show you guys what this thing looks like after a quick wash. All right, moment of truth. Let us see the Wiper Tech wipers. First movement. Let's go. Woo! Not bad, guys. Look at that. Yo, one more wipe of the wipers here. Oh yeah, man, that is a clean sweep. All right, I have dried the car off mostly here. Again, it is, I don't know if you can see that, it is raining, but regardless, I just wanted to show you. I've got other videos, it's hard to see, you know, there's no light in here, but Leon's jumping in the back. But again, just look at the roof. For those that can remember how bad this roof used to be, like, it's literally glass. Like, I honestly, you know, don't care about anything else, but that roof is just, it's mint. And you can remember how bad the roof was. I actually didn't think it could be saved. And then along comes Max from Prestige Auto Detailing, 14-year-old kid, and smashes this out. Like, again, we can literally, like, see ourselves. There's hardly any light in here. We are in an underground car park. But, oh, man, and you should just, you know, if you just feel it, it's, oh, mate, the kid did good. I'll leave a link for him in the description as well. If you're in Perth, like, honestly, you can't beat his prices, and he does know what he's doing, you know, despite the age. Now, I do need to get new headlights. Yeah, both of them are fogging up. They're pretty cracky, and yeah, they need to be replaced, but the F6 is looking mint. Now, in terms of engine work, I haven't changed anything. It's still running that 485 to the wheels, but I have put a deposit down at Monster Torque, external gate, and a trans cooler. So that's kind of the two things I've really wanted for this car. And apart from that, it's running really well. We are up to, I think, like 223,000 kilometers. It's getting up there, but it seems to be driving really well. And I think once we get the trans cooler in, you know, the gate's just for a bit of fun, but you know, the Barras, mate, they slap 1,000,000 Ks on this thing, hopefully. I mean, I do have 1 or 2 oil leaks that I have found since tuning it. Obviously, the more boost you push in, the more pressure in the motor. So it's not major. It's a little bit, tiny drop or two every time I turn it off. But that'll be way down the line if we got to fix that, because that's an engine out, I think, type job, or it's a very big job anyways. Besides that, actually, we did upgrade a few other things. We got new front rotors, so we had some, yeah, horrible humming noises coming from the front. We've replaced those, and we did replace both engine mounts. So, yes, the car is looking very good. And although we were racking up some Ks on it, it's still driving really, really well. And again, I don't know if you guys can see, poor little Leon is in the back while I work. He's got to suffer. We won't be that much longer, I promise. But anyways, yeah, the F6 is coming up nice. I am excited to get the external gate and to get that trans cooler finally fitted. And apart from that, I'm probably going to be just tidying up a few things, maybe fixing the headlights. There still is a few bits of damage and scratches on this, which you couldn't fix from the paint correction, so it will have to go to a paint shop eventually to get the really heavy scratches out. But the car is coming up good, guys. It really, really is. I'm happy. But anyways, guys, leave a comment down below. What do you think of the paint correction? You know, again, Prestige Auto Detailing here in WA. Max, I'll leave a link for him in the description. I reckon he did a cracker job. It's hard to tell today. It's so dark and cloudy and gloomy. It really is kind of challenging to show you guys exactly what this looks like in the sun, but I'll show you some pictures, some other videos I took. The guy did well, and I know it is going to rain again any minute, so please, for the love of God, hit that subscribe button for my efforts today washing this thing basically when it's gonna rain in the next 10 minutes anyway. So yeah, that's annoying. Black car life. People who own black cars know what I'm talking about. I guess I'm used to it. I gotta wash this thing twice a day. But guys, again, huge thanks to the sponsor of this video, Wiper Tech. These wipers, man, they're high quality. I actually didn't want to switch my wipers because I thought I had pretty good ones, but these are without a doubt better. They just are. So again, a link is in the description for them. Super easy to get the wipers, free delivery. Again, yeah, highly rated. So what do you guys think? Please let me know, again, in the description below. The gate is coming, the transcooler is coming, we've got new tires, we've done a few maintenance things that we needed to do with this thing, and again, we're sitting at 223,000 Ks now. We get on the boost, and it spins wheels. Chinese cheap tires for the win, yeah boy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button, consider subscribing if you're new here, and we will see you on that next video. Take care.